Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create a group in Gmail. So to create a group in Gmail, we need to use the website, and you need to use a preferred browser. For me it's Safari, for you it can be Chrome or something else, and we need to type this contacts Google. Open this first page, firstly, to create a group we need to create a label. So to do that we need to open the menu. This is these three horizontal lines in the upper left corner, and here you see label section, and click this plus sign. And now we need to create, set the name of the label. For example, it will be a group project, for example, and click Save button. Label group project was created, and then we need to select the contacts. So we need to choose the specific contacts that you want to include in this group. So to do that we need to click just on the contact, and here will appear the little square. Simply mark it. For example, I want to include these three people to my label, which means to my group. And after I have selected them, I need to click this label sign, and I need to basically add these people to my label simply by clicking on the group, on the label, and click apply. And now you see three contacts labeled to my group. So we have created a group, and when you want to write an email to this group, you just need to start typing the name of your label. So in my case it's group project in this field. So I will show you. Open the Gmail application and press compose button, and here in this field 2 you need to type the name of your label. So that's how you can create a group in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.